Hey traders, wow, what a great week trading. Lots of momentum in the markets, great positive news out of the FOMC, and all the markets are just ripping. So today I'm going to show you some of my favorite NASDAQ indicators to use from Ninjacators. I'll show you how I use them both for trade entries with signals, my entries, my exits, and how I determine how long I want to stay in a market or when I'm ready to get out. So hang on and let's get started. This is our NASDAQ 1-minute chart. We'll start off by putting the dynamic support and resistance zones on. Now these are going to change as the markets change and give us an idea where markets have been trading from. Okay, so you can see right now we've got some resistance right over here after the trading overnight. Next, let's get our real-time supply and demand zones. I love these because it really tells us exactly when buyers are stepping in and when sellers are stepping in. So if you take a look right over here, we've got right at the weaker and stronger areas of resistance, strong areas where sellers are stepping in right over here. So with the right signals in the context of the rest of the market, that's going to help us determine whether or not we want to jump in for some shorts. Remember, I like to fade these zones and take it right down to the next area where I have a high probability it's going to reach. Now let's see, next one, let's get a signal indicator on here. One of my favorites is the MACD divergence. So let's get that on. Great. So if you can see over here, this is a great spot to take a look. As we were starting to come down, we did get a signal to go long, but I've got two strong blocks that is of additional resistance. In addition to the zones, the resistance zones over here, I've got two dynamic supply demand zones over here. So I'm not going to take that long, okay? And as you can see, it's starting to bump off of here. I'm really looking for short signals coming up right around here. So next, let's go ahead and add our NASDAQ signals, and we'll pop those right on. Terrific. Okay, so you can see so far no short signals from NASDAQ, all long signals. So every time it comes down, we get a push back up, push back up, push back up, but tons of resistance over here. So no entry yet. And last one to put on is going to be my golden reversal line. I love this indicator because I can use this one in conjunction with these other signals and look for a cross of this indicator. So let's go ahead and put that on. And as you can see in real time, we do have a golden reversal line that printed. What I'm going to be looking at now is if I get into a trade just as this crosses this line, I'm going to hold it right to this zone, maybe even the next zone if it invalidates this one. So let's go ahead and turn on the tape and we'll see what we get. Okay, so remember, I'm looking for shorts over here. As soon as we cross past that golden reversal line, I'm going to jump right in. There we go. So let's get right in and we'll move it, take it right down to this next zone. We'll keep our stop just above the zone on top of us. And I'm just trading one lot. And beautiful. Quick 200 bucks or so. Now I'm going to keep my eye on this. If this zone gets invalidated, I'm going to jump back in. So let's see what we have. We've still got a lot of downward pressure. And if it does get invalidated, almost, then we know that we're going to go further down. There we go. So let's jump back in, see if we can't take it right down to this next zone. And just to be on the safe side, let's go for this zone over here. Perfect. If you have it easy as can be, couple of quick trades, few $100. I was only trading one lot. Easy to make $500 with 2 lots, 3 or 4 lots. You can do these trades all day. All you're doing is waiting for these golden reversal lines in combination with support and resistance zones and our great dynamic supply and demand zones. Okay, good trading. See you next time.